Hey guys, I'm Tina. It's been a while. I don't even know what to say. So I wanted to come on and make this video just because there's been a few changes that have happened and I feel like I need to explain. I know I haven't posted in so long, and then I came around in January and just dropped this 4 meal prep videos out of nowhere. And I know some of you were like, wait, what is this? What channel is this? Who is this? What's going on? And so I just wanted to kind of go back and explain a few things and just give you guys an update on what's been happening, right? So if you've been with me a long time, then you might remember that, I worked with a brand and I got my hair colored, and I think this was in May of 2015. So I had my hair colored, and then somewhere around September 2016, so a little bit over a year later, I just was not feeling my hair. My hair got really dry, it was breaking, and the color just was not good for my hair. So I chopped the color and I felt really good. Like I just felt revived again. I was more excited about my hair. My hair started to flourish. But the truth is that all along, I've always had this need to cut my hair. I just wanted short hair to experience what short hair felt like. And I think it's also because when I did my big chop back in, when was my big chop? I don't even remember anymore. I think it was like 2016 or somewhere around there. Not 2016, 2006. Yeah, I think my big chop was in... I don't remember. It's been over 10 years. That's what I know for sure. So when I did my big chop, I was in such a rush to grow my hair out. I don't think I actually ever really enjoyed my hair being short. And so a part of me, with all the knowledge that I had learned over the years of taking care of my hair, a part of me always wondered what short hair felt like. And so I always wanted to do it. So fast forward to, I want to say 2018, I went in and I cut my hair, and that's what you see now. So I had it cut, I had it colored. I went to Mono's hair. She really hooked it up before she upped and moved to Atlanta, and I was like, why? But so I had that all done and I was really excited by it, right? And I just stopped posting because I felt like, you guys came to me for long hair. I was the girl that had long hair, and it was like, well, who's going to be interested in seeing my short hair now? And the other truth is that I'm really not doing much to my hair. Like, it takes me half an hour from when I enter the shower to wash my hair. Washing, styling, everything, I can get it done in 30 minutes. So I'm really not doing much to my hair. My regimen is so easy right now, right? And I just felt like, who's checking for that? Like, people want long hair from me. They don't care about my short hair journey. And so I just really stopped posting. I have a lot of videos that I had filmed from, way back, that I just wasn't posting because I felt like I can't be posting all these long hair videos when my hair is really short. And then also I wasn't doing much with my short hair. So I was just like, let me learn my hair the way it is right now. At the same time, if you followed me for a long time, you know how passionate I am about nutrition and wellness, and really what you eat feeds what's happening up top here. So I always talk about eat right, get those minerals and vitamins through your food, drink your water, and you're going to see your hair really flourishing, right? You're going to be nourishing all those follicles in your hair, and you're going to see fabulous hair health. So it's just natural that I was kind of transitioning in this nutrition phase. And I also knew that I had worked so hard, filming and editing and sharing these videos. And at 25K plus of you actually like the content I was putting out. And so I didn't want to lose all that 25K wonderful people out there. And so I just kind of transitioned into this nutrition channel. And, I do have to apologize for that, because that was a huge assumption, and that was really wrong on my part to just assume that because you were following me, you would be interested in nutrition. And that's not always true. So, yeah, that brings me to today. We are in February 2020. And I am still hardcore into nutrition. If you follow me on Instagram, then I've been posting a lot about food, meals, and all of that stuff. And so what I decided to do was to separate it. So now I have a separate wellness YouTube channel where I share recipes, and I hope to share more wellness tips on that channel. So if you're into food and you're into wellness and just taking care of yourself and you want to go on that journey with me, then please subscribe to that channel. My Miss T 1806, my hair channel, I also wanted to still keep this alive because there's times when I really do want to share hair things with you. Like maybe not necessarily like a tutorial on a finger twist out or anything like that. Or maybe I will at some point. I really don't know. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing with this channel. You know, it's crazy because I'm still getting messages. People still DM me about, regimens and what to do and how to grow their hair out. And it makes me feel like, I still have things to say in this space, and I don't want to shut it off completely, but I know for sure that I don't see myself sharing a weekly or even a bi-weekly video. So in terms of my hair channel, my Miss T 1806, I think that I'm going to leave it open, hopefully still be able to share things as they come along. If you guys want to see my 30-minute regimen right now on what I do with my hair, I can film that for you. I know I still like talking hair, and especially one-on-one, that's where I really thrive and enjoy that communication. But I still want to leave the space open in case things come up and I find something new that I think you might appreciate and I decide to try it, or I decide to grow my hair out and now I'm doing crazy things with my hair and I want to share with you guys. I really don't know what I want to do with this space. If you have any ideas, let me know. If you have anything that you want to see, let me know. That might kind of help guide me as well. But if you really want to know more about nutrition and wellness, then please guys do subscribe to my Well and Tasty channel. I have a bunch of videos on there. I have Whole30 meal preps if you're looking into Whole30. There is a Whole30 coming up in April. So if you want to prepare for Whole30 in April, at least you have those videos to kind of support you as well. So yeah, that's, where I've been. I just wanted to come on and say, one, sorry for being away for so long. Two, sorry for taking advantage and just, making this switch without actually talking to you guys about it. And three, just telling you a little bit about Well and Tasty and hoping that you were interested in that space and that you want to join that journey as well. And four, just letting you know that I'm still leaving Miss T 1806 open because I think it's a space where I'm going to continue sharing things as they come along. So it will not be some scheduled video routine. I'm just going to share whatever comes to my heart. But if you are on Instagram and you want to stay in touch with me, I have those two Instagram platforms as well. Well and Tasty for food. Miss T 1806 really is just hair and just general living. You will see some of my family on there and behind the scenes of things that I'm doing. So that's it. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope 2020 has been good for you so far. And yeah, let me know what how you guys are doing. I did miss making these videos, so thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you've shown me over the years. This channel is still gonna be but just not boom 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 boom. Thank you guys. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you on the web somewhere. All right, take care. Stay beautiful, guys.